Hey guys, it's Bear, and Kat is actually helping me with a project currently, so she's not here filming the intro, but she will be helping later. Today our video is stress balls without slime. We, in our community tab, we actually posted you guys, we actually told you guys what we would be doing, so if you see that, you would know. So that's what we're going to be making. The two things you will need is a balloon and sand. And you can do with just that, but a funnel really does help. A funnel and a paintbrush. Those are the two things you're really going to need to make these. But funnel and then paintbrush is what we'll be using, you're going to need the end of the paintbrush. So that's what we're using. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I brought you to our workstation for today, and we're using, like, Crayola modeling sand. Like I said, we're going to need a funnel and a paintbrush. And that's all you're going to need, and then obviously a balloon. So now you're going to take your balloon and put your funnel inside the balloon, like so. And then you're going to scoop a little bit of sand. And I'll add some too. And now you're going to take the end of your paintbrush and just poke it in. And then continue until the balloon is about up to, you can't see, about to right where like it starts to get skinnier. This is a little messy. See, we've gotten it on our table a little. And so that's why we have a tray down. So if we make a mess, it's easy to clean. Pretty full. Pretty squishy too. So now I'm going to have Kat hold the camera real quick. And she cannot a balloon, so we actually did get it pretty full. But we did the same thing on mine. So I'm just going to try to push as much as I can down to the bottom. Take it, stretch it, and then just take it out. And then, how you would on a balloon. Yeah. But I really want to make sure it's tight. And now you've made a nice stress ball. One craft to do with balloons is to make confetti balloons. It looks super cool. You know, it's really fun to play with, and yeah, it's pretty nice.
You just cut some paper.
Or if you have like polymer clay sprinkles, that would be cool. If you have confetti or something, you can make it out of that. And then
you blow up a balloon and then blow it up.
Yeah, I would suggest using a funnel. We've made 2 of these, and they're really fun to play with. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!